What if I told you that 90% of beginners choose the wrong path from day one, and it costs them everything? Most people enter the financial world with big dreams, but they make one huge mistake. They don't understand the difference between trading and investing. Some people try trading and lose money quickly because of emotions and poor risk management. Others invest patiently and slowly build enormous wealth over time. So the big question is, which path actually makes you rich? Trading or investing? In this video, I'll break down both strategies in the simplest way possible: the pros, the risks, the mindset required, and which one is best for you as a beginner. Let's unlock the truth. Trading is the process of buying and selling assets over short periods of time to make profits from price movements. A trader might buy a stock, a crypto coin, or a currency today and sell it minutes, hours, or days later. The goal is simple: buy low, sell high, repeat. Traders focus heavily on price charts, market trends, breaking news, technical analysis, and perfect timing. There are different types of trading: day trading, where you open and close trades within the same day; swing trading, where you hold positions for days or even weeks; scalping, where you make many small but quick profits; Forex trading, trading global currencies; and crypto trading, trading digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, trading can be extremely exciting because profits can come very quickly. But here's the side nobody talks about: trading is also very stressful. The market moves fast. Emotions become your biggest enemy, and one bad decision can wipe out a significant amount of money. This is why risk management is the most important skill in trading. Most beginners focus only on profits, but professional traders focus on protecting their capital first, always. Investing is completely different. Instead of chasing short-term price movements, investors focus on long-term growth. An investor buys assets like stocks in strong companies, ETFs and index funds, real estate, and holds them for years, sometimes even decades. The idea is beautifully simple: good assets grow over time. Investors believe in patience, compound growth, and long-term wealth building. Here's a real example with numbers. If you invested just $200 every single month for 20 years with an average 10% annual return, you would have over $150,000. That's the power of compound growth. Time does the heavy lifting for you. Investing usually involves lower stress, less screen time, fewer emotional decisions, and much more long-term stability. This is exactly why many of the world's wealthiest people prefer investing as their primary strategy. They let time and consistency do all the work. So now let's compare trading and investing directly. Trading is fast, active, higher risk, and emotionally intense, while investing is slower, more stable, lower stress, and long-term focused. Trading can generate faster income, but investing is generally far better for building long-term wealth. Trading requires skill, discipline, emotional control, and constant learning. Investing requires patience, consistency, and long-term thinking. Here's something very important: every beginner must understand: trading is not gambling when done correctly, and investing is not just getting rich slowly. Both strategies can absolutely work, but only if you truly understand what you are doing. So, which one actually makes more money? The honest answer is, it depends entirely on the person. A skilled and disciplined trader can potentially make money much faster than an investor. But here's the truth: most beginner traders lose money. Why? Because they lack discipline, they ignore risk management, and they let emotions control their decisions. Investing may seem slower, but over many years, investing creates enormous wealth through the power of consistency and compound growth. This is why many millionaires combine both approaches. They invest the majority of their money for long-term growth and trade only with a smaller portion for additional income. That gives them stability, growth, and additional financial opportunities. If you are a complete beginner, my honest recommendation is to start learning investing first. Why? Because investing teaches you patience, financial discipline, and long-term thinking. These are the exact same skills you will need later if you decide to trade. Investing is also significantly safer for beginners compared to high-risk trading. Then later, once you have built your foundation, you can slowly begin learning trading with proper education and strict risk management. Here's the most important thing I want you to remember today. Never rush into the markets trying to become rich overnight. That mindset destroys beginners every single day. Wealth is built brick by brick with knowledge, with patience, with discipline. At the end of the day, both trading and investing can help you build real wealth. The key is choosing the strategy that matches your personality, your goals, your patience level, and your risk tolerance. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about trading, investing, and financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to Wealth Unlocked right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And comment below one word, unlock, and I will send you a complete roadmap to financial freedom absolutely free. Thanks for watching. Your financial journey starts today, and I will see you in the next video.